Shoebill.
Oh
Come
my
on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Continue coming. Come on, come on, come on. How are you? Sushi, come on, come on, come on, come on. So, so, so Sushi, come on, come on, come on. So I told you that with the shoebills, they are wetland birds. So being wetland birds, these birds is that if at all you don't have wetland areas, you have to